Okay, any one of you have the dashboard up to date? I'll start with.
I have mine ready.
Okay, share your screen.
Mine is ready.
Okay, good. So let's review.
Good evening, everyone.
Good. Oh, nice. So you clean up you did a whole lot of cleanup. Good. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Now, 1 minute. Can you interpret your report?
I'm sorry?
Can you just interpret or take the users, just present what you did in your report?
Okay, sir.
Like a demo.
Okay, so this is the salary distribution report, and this shows that a total salary of 68 million was paid to 607 employees, over 50 locations, and they were occupying 50 job positions. And this shows the salary distribution according to company size, experience type, employment type, and the percentage of salaries to total salaries according to job titles.
Absolutely. Yeah, I like your layout, very clean, neat. I mean, you can present this to your during your interview because this is your work. You know what you did from start to finish. You can easily just explain to them. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Nadia.
Oh no. Yeah. So his work is really clean and it's giving me.
No, just go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
No. Yes. So okay, if you prefer yellow and all that, good. So as long as you did a good job, okay, you did a good job. At least you got up to point. Now you started getting your hands in a whole lot of stuff in Tableau. Okay, your starting point is very good. Okay, good job. You guys, your starting point is really, really, really good. Now, if I say this now, I won't say you are new to Tableau. I wouldn't.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Thank
Well, good
you.
job. Good job. Same interpretation apply, but you just need to work on your filters, bring in like an image, okay? But you can do
Yes.
that. Yeah, but good.
Yes.
Excellent job.
Thank you.
Good. So who else? Who else? Daramola.
Yeah, I ran into an issue. Which I couldn't figure it out. I was trying to drag my salary to the dashboard, but it's kind of like collapsing into the my employee into the salary. So I couldn't really figure that out. I don't know. I couldn't recall what I was doing wrong.
Okay, all right. So we are going to round up this dashboard today because we're going to take up another project. But keep working on it. Let's everybody review. I will have either Dada and Ejiro to like work with those that are behind to get you up to speed. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Bola. Are you sharing your screen, Bola? We can't hear you. Okay, why she's getting her stuff together? Victor, can you share your screen? Let's see what you did.
No, mine.
I apologize, Victor.
Mine is not here.
Okay, I apologize again. I'm supposed to send you that stuff. I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry, but I will do it before this meeting's end. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. Susan, do you have anything to show? Just show your work in progress. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just show your work in progress.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm still
Okay.
struggling, but
Okay.
I'll get it eventually.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Your work in progress is good, but just make sure you get everything done by today.
Okay.
Because I want to get you guys like up to speed with like at least 4 or 5 projects.
Okay.
By the next
Okay.
project, we're going to move into calculations, logical calculations. By the next project, we're going to go into like data joining and blending, how to do some kind of advanced dashboarding. So with these 3 projects, you guys should be at least 40% or 50% there. And then, we can start doing a whole lot of logical dashboard and a lot of fix and trick, to make your work easy for you, But try and keep up with the pace, all right? Good job. Taba.
Yes.
Okay, share your screen.
How do I share my screen? Okay. One second. Okay.
I
Okay.
submitted one of my students for a job in one of my company, and they called her last week. She didn't pick the call. So, and the job is one of the most easiest job anybody can do. Even a newbie can do it, but she didn't answer the call probably. And I tried calling her immediately. She didn't answer my call, But I also tell you the job is out there, So go ahead, Baba.
You want me to?
Yeah, I like the
present it?
dashboard. Yeah, no, I just want to see what you did. Why is your total highlighted in blue? And it is
Oh, because I clicked on it.
Oh, okay. Nice work, neatly laid out. But again, as you all get into advanced, you don't have to do your dashboarding my own way. Feel free to play around with dashboarding, okay? Move your stuff around, change layout, and so on, okay? But this is our first one, but you are doing well. But feel free to explore dashboarding. Like I said, go on Tableau Public and see some Zen Master, how they do some kind of crazy dashboarding, crazy dashboarding and beautiful one, So feel free to explore ways to like put your worksheet together. Good job, Fataba. This is nice.
Thank you.
All right. But we're going to do more on formatting. Then after this, if you want to like redesign your dashboard, you can, because you're going to be using this as a demo in your interview. This is your work. This counts as your experience. Okay. Legally, if you do anything, training, it counts as your experience. So you can reference it to say, okay, I did this. This is how I did it. Just take your recruiter from start to finish. Okay, we will get there when we start this some interview preparation. All right, thank you, Fataba. Martins, anything for us?
I'm sorry, sir. I had an issue downloading Tableau on my Windows 7, so I'm still trying to being a beginner. I'm still trying to gather myself up, and I hope it's going to start functioning very well this evening. Good evening, class. I hope everybody is right.
Okay, now just go back. We have just 2 videos, 2
Okay.
classes. These are our
Okay.
3rd class. Okay, so you can quickly watch this, especially the 2nd video, and catch up. You know, everything we did was just on this 2nd class on Tuesday. So you can watch that and catch up, quickly.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you,
All
sir.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bola, can you hear us? Bola, can you hear us? Go ahead and share your screen. We can't hear you, but just go ahead and share your screen if you can hear us. You just want to see your work in progress. Okay, I think we have it. Okay, while we're still waiting, let's go to Dada. Dada is now Frozen Master. So let's see our final work. I expect his dashboard to be finished. Dada, Gigi, and Daniels.
Okay.
All right.
Can you see my screen?
Yep. Okay. You see Dada reworked his dashboards, showing some skills. Nice, beautiful. And this is nice. This is nice.
Thank you.
This is nice. And you see, instead of him having the layout like we have, his filter is put in the open filters and show filters. Okay. Dada, can you demonstrate how that open filter works?
Okay, all right. If you click on this, you can see all the filters coming out. So you can filter
No,
by.
we can't see that. Your screen is frozen.
Oh, okay.
I think you are sharing your Tableau public. Okay, all right. Okay, go ahead now. Just click on the.
Oh,
open
okay,
filters.
okay. I'm sharing my Tableau public for.
Okay, now so you see when you click on that filters, that little box for the filters pop open,
So
and
you can filter by whatever you want to.
and then when you just click close, it disappears. It's very simple to do, but we will again maybe in our next class we can demonstrate that. Or once Dada and Gigi take over to like help those that are still behind catch up, they can show these guys show this function to you guys. Okay, but his dashboard is looking good. I'm not surprised. Okay, good job, Dada.
Thank you.
All right, Gigi.
My dashboard.
You're busy.
I think I've shown it already before, but let me just show it again. I didn't finish it.
Okay. Okay, so it's still same as
It's still same.
Okay, all right, nice. Danny, can you share your up to date?
Yes, I'm done with it, but I think I didn't save it the last time. I'm checking it now. I couldn't find it, so before the end of the class, I'll do it again and show you before we finish today.
Okay. So that remind me of something I need to show to you guys. Because you are using Tableau Public, you need to you can't save your work on your desktop. You can only publish to the server. So if you're working and you can't finish your work, just publish it as work in progress. Then once you come back, you can go back to your Tableau Public and continue from there. Just connect to it and continue. But I'll show all that to you. So let me share my screen and then let's continue. So this was where I stopped my work on Tuesday. Now I want to spend more time on formatting, making how you can really make your work look good. It's up to you. There's no limitation. Okay. So if you look right now, I've already done some kind of clean up a little bit, but it's not still looking the way how we want it, okay? So probably once you click on each container, you can see that each of these have edges, and you can adjust the edge, this sizes, you know, and so on. So always make use of this and make sure you like put the store your layout the way you fit need. Okay. So in this case, in this case, I would like to finish up with my formatting in my own style. Okay. So I want everybody to watch this is my style. But you can do it your style, but just what I want you to see is how to use this formatting stuff. Okay. So my logo here is a little bit, I don't like it the way it is. I might just want to move this on top of this, make it a little bigger. Okay. And that's better for me. And I want to adjust this to make it a little bit. Now, there's something I like to put in all of my work, both personal and at work. I like to put like a line of demarcation in each of my worksheets, so it doesn't look as if they're all together. Just a little bit of fancy kind of stuff here and there. So what I do is I make use of blank. Okay, so I'll just drive, for example, I want to put a line between my title and this line here. So I'll just drag a blank in between here. Okay, it's going to get squishy, but it don't. Then I'll go to layout. I'll give it a background like this dark background, or make it something light, not too. Now I will now resize it to this, just to add like a line. But this is very big. I don't want it big. I want it very tiny. So I'll just click in here and come to the outer padding here. So I'll just click here, I'll make this 15. So you can see it's like a little bit tiny. And I will do the same thing for each worksheet, just to give each worksheet their own, kind of space. And I'll come back here and do this and just make it. So I'll click on it right now, go to outer padding and just make it like a little bit 15. So you can see I'm adding like a little bit of kind of fancy kind of layout, but it's not necessary. You don't have to do it. Nobody will hold you if you don't do it. It's just a way of presenting your own style. Okay, so if you see all my work and you see these lines, you know, like this is Lucky's work, so. Oh, I didn't do that first. Background, use this color, and then just size it all the way to the end, and click on the layout, give it outer padding 15, and I'll do the same thing for the last one. Now, dashboard formatting should be the least or the last thing that you worry about when you're developing your dashboard. The main focus is your data meeting your client's needs. So once you hit all of their requirements, now the next point becomes presentation, how you want to present it. So your presentation is what you're trying to do here, okay? And I can just go ahead and even do for this edging to demarcate this data from the work itself. I go to the layout, size this all the way to the end. So you can see a little bit of decoration here and there, make your work stand out. Okay, and if you understand this, just go ahead and start doing yours. Okay, because it's just the same thing all over again, but we are just trying to put them in the right place. That is one out. Let me remove these. Go back here. Okay, so I have like 4 more to go. So let me quickly do that. And I'll just put 2 more in between this one to like give them their own little space. I'm all here and I'm done. Okay, so I'm done with that. So now you can see it's not still looking the way I want it. This worksheet up here, they take into more space. So I'll just go here and adjust this one to reduce their space and give this chart here more space. This look good. And I can even come here, since this is a table, it doesn't have to take more space. I'll just reduce this a little bit and then close this gap a little bit to give this one a lot of space. So here, you can also see that here I have some titles here, which I don't really need. So I'm just going to right click here and click show header. I don't want to show the header. And this title for this experience here is already in the on the sheet as title. So having the 2 here is just redundant. So I just right click and click hide field label. I'll do the same thing for this. And our report is looking the way I want. Now I also want to like maybe give all of the report itself like some borderline just to make everything have like its own container. So I'll just click on the edge somewhere here to highlight all of the container, and I'll go to borderline and just give it a little bit of this and use the same color. So everything is in its own container. And I think I want to click. Okay, my dashboard looks ready. One last thing I would like to do is, what if my users click on, let's say they click here, I want my dashboard to be interactive. So if they click here, the dashboard should filter down and show them only the value that have to do with whatever they click. But right now you can see it's not actionable. So for me to make this, use the worksheet itself as a filter, all I have to do is click on the worksheet, come to this little funnel here, so you can see use as filter. So I'll just click on this. I'll go to this as well. I'll do the same thing for this. And I'll do the same thing for this. So what this does is to, let's say the users like what they see here, but they want to see the details that make up of this 23 million. If they click on this right now, you can see it drills down the report. You can see that the total salary here is 23 million or so, and made up of 198 employees in 32 locations, filled by 39 job positions. Did you get that? So your dashboard becomes very interactive. Okay. So if they want to see this, they click on this right now. This drill down the report and give them the corresponding information. You can also do for this, maybe you use the table. If they want to see only for data scientists for this 15 million, if they click on this right now, it drills down the report, so you can see that of the 15 million for data scientists, they have just one position. Martin, please mute your mic, please. So you can see that this data scientist is just one position, but they are functioning in 24 locations. Wanted in about 143 employees work as data scientists, and this is their total salary breaking down by this. So your dashboard become a lot interactive and actionable. And you can just demonstrate this for your interview, and you can easily see that you know what you're doing. Any question on that? Any question on this action filter? It's very easy. Just click on the worksheet, click on this little corner here. And basically you can use this to like toggle your dashboard. Now, yesterday, if Ejiro was saying that, I mean, who was saying that? No, I think it's Fataba. If we can, how to format all of this into millions, like this 68 millions, what if you don't want to display the whole figures and just put million sign there or put the dollar sign there? You can do that, it's very easy. So if I go back to the worksheets, or I can even do it here, okay? If I click on the worksheet or right click, you see this format option here. Sorry, I'm back. My son was making noise. So if I right click here and click on format, it's going to pop up this format in here. Here, I can do, maybe I want to change the color, change a whole lot of stuff. I can do that here, okay? A whole lot of formats, maybe I want to remove the line and so on, or even add some like shading behind. I can do that here, okay? But to add the Naira sign, you have to do it on this field itself here. So if I come back to the worksheet, you can, where I have it as test here, this is the field populating this number. So if I click on this little drop down and go to format, now you will see axis and pane. So we are formatting the pane. This is the pane. So go to the first one that says number, click on the drop down. You want to format this as currency because it's a currency. So you can come to currency custom. Now, so you can see it automatically have the dollar sign, but you can change this and put any kind of sign. By default, because you're in America, Tableau uses your laptop location to just put dollar sign there by default. But you can put any kind of sign there, okay? If you have the pounds, or you can copy any sign logo from the web and just paste it here. It's going to display. Okay, so for now, I'll leave it as dollar. Now, how many decimal places do you want? Do you want to have like 1 or 2 decimal places? In this instance, no, I'll just make it 0, or you can make it as many decimal places as you want, okay? Now, how do we make this default to like millions, billions, and so on? Maybe what if you have like a very long number? You can easily do that here by on these display units. If you click on the drop down, you can choose to make this 1,000. But in this instance, we know this is million, so we just put million there. And if you want to put like the decimal place to say 16.8 million and so on, you can as well. Okay, so however you want to format, it's up to you. You can even do custom formatting. Okay, I like to use this when I'm doing like KPI kind of stuff, but for now, let's just leave this for now. Okay. Any question on this? Any question? It's very easy, right? So if you want to format yours to like millions, just go ahead and do that. I have the table here. Where is the table? So I want to format this to be millions as well, or thousands. I can, here, you have to be careful because not all of them are in millions, some are in thousand. Okay, so since this is a table, I will not advise you format this in millions or thousands. Just leave it as it is. But you can put the dollar sign in front of it. Just put the dollar sign and you can reduce the decimal places. Okay, because since it's a detailed table, it will be appropriate for them to see the raw figure itself without having to minimize with what's it called, using those short abbreviation. Okay, so I think I'm done with my dashboard. One last thing I need to do is name my dashboard. I'm going to call this salary distribution. Report. Now, remember I said that your users, they want to see your dashboard, not your worksheets. Before I publish this to the server, I have the habit of hiding all of my worksheets. I only want to publish my dashboard. So for me, I'll right-click on my, everybody watch. You see this dashboard, right-click here and click on hide all sheets. So you will see that it's going to hide all of these worksheets. Like these other two, I don't need this. This was just for demo. So I'm not going to delete these ones. I don't need this one. So now I only have my dashboard. All of the worksheet is disappeared, it's gone. Okay. Now, what if I want to navigate or make any changes on my dashboard? You can't do that. You can just click here and click on this little arrow here that says go to sheet. It takes you back to your sheet. But once you click on the dashboard again, it disappears. But if you want to unhide all of your worksheets, just right-click here and click on hide sheet. It's going to bring everything back for you, and then you can do your work. Okay. But before you publish, I always advise people hide all your sheet and give your users your dashboard. Okay. And for me, I think my report is ready to view. I'm just going to click. If I want to publish my work, because I'm using Tableau Public, which most of us here are using, I'm just going to click on Save here, or I go to File. Either one will take you directly to Tableau Public. Now, in the real life, in your work, once you finish your work, you're going to publish your report to Tableau server for your company. The Tableau server is where all of the users will have access to view your report and make and download, and without download or do anything. So you'll be publishing your work to the server. Now, because Tableau gave us this Tableau Public as training, they created the Tableau Public server more like what you're going to be using in the real life, like your company server. Okay, so you're publishing your report on the server for people to see. So you see your Tableau Public server as your normal server, and you can do everything you can do on your company server on Tableau Public server. You can modify your reports, change everything as you like.
Please mute your mic, guys, please.
Okay, let me mute. Okay. I'm not going to mute anybody that is making noise behind. So see Tableau Public as your company server. Like I said, you can do anything that you would do on your company server on Tableau Public. Is for you to like practice and get a whole lot of hands on a whole lot of stuff. Okay. Now, before I publish this, there's something I'd like to show you guys. If you don't want to do a whole lot of formatting and you just want Tableau to just give you some dim and your report will go with your dim like that, you can do that. If you come to formatting here, where is it? Is it? let me open a worksheet. Maybe it's at the worksheet level. Okay. I'm not seeing it here. That's what we call Tableau Dim. Maybe it's not here. Okay, maybe it's not here. Okay, I don't think it's on Tableau Public. Okay, you can just pick like 1 or 2, 3 dim, and it comes like a predefined kind of formatting for you that all your worksheet just align with that dim. Okay, maybe when I use my Tableau desktop for the next project, I will show that to you guys, but I don't think it's here. Normally it will be on that format, and then we see somewhere here it's called a dim, THEME. It's not here, okay? But for now, this is how I want to present my report. And let me publish my work. And normally when you try to publish your work in real life, you're going to pop up something like this where you have to like enter your company credentials. No, I don't publish this extra sheet, so I'll delete that. So let me click here again. And you can give it a name, same name as salary distribution report. And you just click publish. Now, at the company level, there's some kind of configuration that you might need to do here. If you need to like set your users permissions and so on, you can do it, okay? So now my report is published to the server. Now anybody can see my work, and they can even download, and they can, interact with the report here. My work is done on this project. One last thing quickly. If you want to give your users the ability to like download this report as a PDF or as a CSV, I mean PDF and PowerPoint, you can, okay? By taking this download function here, just drag and put anywhere you want to put it. So by default, it's going to show download as PDF, but you can go in here and edit the button, and you can choose if you wanted to download as image, PDF, or PowerPoint. But I'm going to leave as PDF for now. And you can even choose if you want to bring in an image, like a download icon. You just put it there. You can use this. But quickly, I don't want to give it a border. As you can see, by default, Tableau comes with like a brown or dark background. I just want to make it none. And I click apply. The white is gone. Then I just have to go back here and choose my font and make it something like this. I want to make it lighter. So it doesn't, okay, that's better. So the users can, once I publish this right now, and I publish this. So if the users want to like create like an email report or send a screenshot to the director or anything, they can just click on this icon here, and it's going to download. You're going to ask them this view or any specific worksheet, but we want all of this view. I'll just click download, and you see what it's going to do. If I open this up right now, so you can see it downloaded my report in a kind of PDF. If the users are using like PowerPoint to create some kind of presentation or report, they can easily download your report and just put it in the PowerPoint and do that presentation. So you make their work easy. Okay, so try and incorporate all this function here for now, just put this download button on your work and publish, just to demonstrate that you know all of this function for your interview sake. Any question? Okay. In the absence of
Sir, I have a question.
go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. It's pretty clear, but just going forward, I want to know, do you always recommend that during the class we just listen, and then maybe after you send the video, we can now do it on on dashboard?
No, because some of us are very new. I want you to like watch and understand what we're trying to do. Like now, I'm done now, so you guys are going to work now.
Okay, sir.
Those who need to catch up are going to catch up. So now the way we do it, one person will share their screen, they will help out, and then you continue working. Anybody have an issue, share your screen, and then we will help you out. Okay. But because this is our first week, for the newbies, I wanted to like catch and see the process. So next time when I'm talking, they easily know what I'm talking about. Okay.
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 Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any other question? Okay. So someone was far behind. Dada and Ejiro, I want you guys to like help out. Where is Medina? Medina, can you share your screen? Let's see your work.
I'm the one behind.
Okay, I know. We didn't get to see Medina's work, so I want her to share her screen so we see, and Bola also, we didn't see their work.
Okay, I'm going to share it now. I'm quite behind.
Okay. Okay. Now, Dara Mala, you share your screen. Let's see where you are, and let Dada please help out, and Gigi. Okay, I'll let the two of you take over from here, but I'll be here. I'm listening. But try and speed up, okay, so we can help the rest. So you need help with your dashboarding, right?
Okay. Yes, okay.
Yes, I do. Yeah,
okay, all right. So
I was on mute.
Dandy, please help out.
Okay, so you already, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me too?
You have all the KPI on top now. So
right.
Drag.
But look at this. My location is kind of like crooked.
Don't worry. We'll fix that.
So I tried to drag the job by type this guy.
No, not that one yet. Don't bring that one yet.
Okay.
Bring a salary by ET. That one. Yes. So bring it on that. So you, as you are dragging
that's
it,
where, yeah.
Drag it to the base.
Right.
Yeah.
Right there. Okay.
Keep dragging it further down.
You know what? Drag it out first. Let me show you simple.
Okay.
Now go and scroll down all the way down on your right. You see the scroll down bar on your right?
Drop it out. No, you are still holding it. Drag it out.
No, drag it. Do Control Z. Control Z. Or just
exit out.
Now go and scroll all the way down.
Yeah. Okay. So that's why.
Okay.
So bring it to the down. Down. You see,
drop it.
That your brown, your blue border under. Make sure it's like under it. Yeah. You see an highlight. Yeah, just you will see an highlighter. You see it's highlighting now. So when now drop it.
Okay.
So do the same for the next one. So just drop it beside this one.
Okay, this guy.
Just beside that salary by FT.
Like that?
No, it's too much. You can drag it. Yeah, you can drop it there, either in front or at the back. It's okay like that. So,
okay.
And the other one, if you like, you can put that one in the middle if you like. Leave it there. All right. So the last one, do the same. What you did earlier. So drag that one to the big. Yeah, just leave it now.
Okay.
Okay. So you now scroll up and start setting.
I didn't have an edit yet, so
Yeah, so you want to adjust all of those. First of all, you see there are legend at the top right. Those legend, yeah, those ones, just
yeah.
X them out. Click on it, then X out, yeah.
Like that.
X out, all of them. Cool. So now adjust those. You can see those borders. Each one of them has a border. So you can drag them the way you want it. So if you know, so you can start with the total employee. That employee has need one more E.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, so
like
drag that one to the right. A little more.
I think maybe I didn't.
Okay, that's fine. So drag.
Maybe I have to edit that, right?
Yeah, that was no problem. Yeah. Keep dragging. Make sure that they're in the center. Okay, all right, that's fine. So drag location also to a little, just a little. A little. Okay, all right, that's okay. So now, you see in the before salary.
Please keep working on your dashboard. We have to finish this today. Okay.
Okay.
Keep working.
Where you are now, you can see between salary by ET, salary by CT, there's a border there. Drag that border up. The border between salary by ET.
This border?
Yeah, drag it up. Yeah, a little. Then do the same for salary by job title. Okay, all right. So you need to scroll down. Okay, because you're. Okay, fine. Okay, that's fine. So let's start one after the other. Let's pick that one. Hold on. Just click on it. So there's one arrow. Can you see that arrow? Just click on that arrow. So.
It's correct.
You have an employee already. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
No worries. All right. So go to text. Can you see text on the Mac? Click on that 3 buttons. So. Do Control A on all of them. Then take them to center. Centralize, yeah. Okay, so you can now click apply or okay or whatever you want to do. And if you want to change, okay, I see what happened. Total employee. Click on that thing again. Okay, so the employee that's having problem is, I see. No, okay, fine. Wait, if you want to change the color, you can do that right now. For example, for total aggregate total employee, I like that. Just I like that. Oh no.
Okay.
Only that one. So you can change to whatever color you want now. But yeah, you may want to be consistent with those. Okay, fine. Apply. Okay. So, okay, if you feel you're okay with that, but you want to do bold, you want to bold it. Let's be consistent. Just bold it. Yeah. Okay, it's bold already. Okay, so use Tableau. You are using Tableau book. Use Tableau bold. Tableau bold. Okay. Click OK now. No, you didn't highlight it. It's because you did not highlight it. Highlight it, then click Tableau bold. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So you move to the next one.
And I go back to my dashboard.
Hold on. Before you go, you see that total employee at the top. Right click on it. Click hide title. Okay, fine. So go back to your dashboard and pick the next one. Okay, so that has done
this guy. But it's still not reflecting. Yeah, but it's that.
I don't know. Okay, so click on it. Just click on it.
Just right click where you are there. Right click there.
No, click on that total employee.
Oh, okay.
Why is it not?
See, close this this dialog box. just close it. Right click on the total employee. Yeah, right click there and click hide title from there.
I title, yeah.
Thank you.
But even everything that he did is not even centralized again, and I want it to be centralized. So let's go back again. Go back. Okay, fine. Okay, click that arrow. I know why. Okay, so click that text. On that text, click it. They say there's that automatic wait. No, go back. Close that one. Under you see automatic, click that one. Then where you see horizontal, the one under, you see the justify under. Those 4 bars under automatic, it's the one in the middle. Click that one. Okay, so it should have everything now justified. So go to your dashboard now. Why is it not reflecting?
Click on your dashboard. Why is your dashboard grayed out?
Click on the dashboard.
I did.
Go to the dashboard.
The dashboard, yeah.
No, you go to the main the sheet. Go to the sheet and find out why your sheet is blurred out.
It's not blurry, yeah.
Okay, all right. You know what?
Yeah.
Give me.
I click on something on the dashboard. Go back to the
really?
dashboard. Yes. Go back to your dashboard. Now click on the total salary first. You see the total salary is highlighted. Click on there. All of them are all grayed out. You must have done something. Let me request your control.
It's filtering something out.
Yes. So let me request your control so we can help the others. Request control. Give me access. Okay. I don't know what you did, but watch me, okay? I'm not going to clear out your dashboard, okay? I'm emptying out your dashboard. First, your total salary should be, you can drag it here, followed by what again? Total employee, drag. Location should be next. And your job next, okay? Click in here. And just adjust, okay? Now for the title, if you don't want this title because we already have it in the KPI, you can right click and hide title. That's all you have to do. Right click on the title itself and hide it. Right click, hide. Right click, hide. Now I want to drag the other worksheet to my dashboard, scroll all the way down. Then I want to bring in, look like your salary is highlighted here. So that was the problem. You highlighted it here, okay? But nevertheless, if you want to bring your salary below, make sure, watch me. So you can see I'm not dropping it until it splits my dashboard across. You see, so now I can drop it. Okay, and I want to bring in the rest of the worksheet. Your do not chart, if you want it here, drop it, it don't matter. And if you want your do not chart here, it doesn't matter, whatever. Then you can adjust and make it layout. Like I said, this your container is not free, it's not rigid, so it easily adjustable. So easily adjust your worksheet, okay? Now, lastly is your detail table. Bring it across, and where is it? It didn't show. Bring it across, and it's there. So now you can just start resizing all of this legend here. You don't need it. Just remove this. Click on this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Yes, remove container. So all you have to do now is just make sure all your or your text size are all the same. Now, you can also use this fit entire view to make it center, okay? Entire view, that will make it center. All right. And go back to each of the worksheet and do what you did here for the rest. All right. And then bring in your title, drag it on top to make sure it splits. Type your title in there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Who else need assistance?
Thank you.
Myself, Medina.
Okay. Well, please share your screen, and Gigi, please help out.
Okay.
For the rest, if you are comfortable cleaning up your dashboard, make it look good and publish to Tableau server, please go ahead and just drop in the message, the link in the message to see your work, okay?
You can share your screen, Medina.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Sorry. Okay. Here it is now. So I don't know. I've been dragging the worksheets to the dashboard, but I'm not able to add the rest of it except for the total salary.
Okay, this is a story. So right click on that your dashboard and delete this is a story, this is not a dashboard. So right click and delete it. Scroll up and delete. Yeah.
Okay.
The dashboard is the second icon after the worksheet. You see it like 4 squares. After your salary by job title at the bottom there, you'd see the worksheet icon down at the bottom.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes, that's the dashboard.
oh,
Yes.
you.
Then you would size, you do the size.
First.
The size is on your left-hand side. It's under device preview.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, so click on that and select fixed. Wait, there's a drop-down button by range. Select fixed.
Okay.
Then you select the width. Let's make it 1000 by 800.
Okay. I've done that.
It didn't change. Press enter. Okay. So you see that show me. Can you close that show me? You see the show me there?
Right here.
Yes, close it. Click on it.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So you start dragging.
Now.
So first of all, you drag your KPIs to
Oh, it took over all the screen.
yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Continue. The next one, the next KPI.
Okay. Beside it.
Yes, beside it. Just drag it beside it.
Beside,
just go.
oh, no.
You drag
Right
it on top. So you can go back. You see the back button up there, or you can do Ctrl+Z.
Okay.
Okay, drag it by the side, by the right-hand side. It will split your screen into 2.
Okay.
Are you using a mouse?
No, I'm not using a mouse.
Okay, it's always better to use a mouse.
I'm not able to drag it.
Click on salary. You want to
Okay.
drag salary. You already have an employee there.
Oh.
So drag, yes. What did you do? You double clicked, right?
I don't know what I did. I actually clicked and then I was trying to drag it.
Uh,
I was
you
trying to
double
drag
clicked,
it.
but it's okay. It has done what you wanted to do. But is this how you want it to look, or you want the salary to be on the left and the employee to be on the right?
Yeah, the whole amount should be first.
Should be first. Okay, so
Yes.
you can click on that one. Just click on it. Then you see this button on top of it, like 2 dashes up there, a square and 2 dashes. If you click on it and drag it, it should move it to the side for you. Click on it, yes, then drag it to your right hand side.
It's going under. No, yeah, I knew.
Drag it to the extreme edge. It should split your screen into 2 halves. Close it. Go to employee. Drag it. Drag it, still drag it. Just keep dragging it, yes. So go to the next one that you want to do.
Location.
Yeah. Drag it to the extreme also.
Extreme down, right?
No, extreme right.
Right.
No, that's the, yes, that is it. Then go to the next one. There are 4. Drag it to the extreme right also.
Sorry, I want to get it right.
Job position.
Okay.
Okay, so you can rearrange, you can set the sizes. But before
Okay.
you set the go ahead and set the sizes so that okay, so the next one is you can pull the what's the next one on the
Okay, yeah, let me
salary
check.
by company size.
Yes, salary by size now.
Pull it at to the bottom.
Okay, yeah, I want to check again. Sorry. Is it okay here?
No, pull it, let it divide the screen into 2. Pull, still go down. Go down. Down. Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Which other one do you want to do?
Salary by experience.
Where do you want to put it?
It's got to be beside the salary by
left side or left or right?
Right.
Okay.
Right. By the
And I'll
right.
do this by salary by experience.
Yes.
Move it to the yeah.
And this, I'll do this salary by
employee type.
This is a employee type, right?
Yes, yes. So I can put it right under this.
No, by the side.
No, by the side. Okay. Okay.
So you can fix the.
You can also make this I want it, okay? But if you still want to write everything out, to go ahead, okay?
Okay. Can I drop this now?
Which one are you doing now?
Gigi, salary by job title. Yeah.
Okay, move it down, so that it will split that screen into 2.
Yeah, it does already. So can I drop it?
No, it's splitting.
Not yet.
You see, it's on top the other ones.
Yes,
Still
yes,
move
that's
it down.
true. Okay.
So that it will not be on
Oh,
top. Yes.
is
right
it okay
there.
now?
Yes. Okay, so you can now fit. First of all, let's remove the titles. So you see the one on top, that's salary there.
Okay.
Up there.
Yeah.
Right click on it. And click on hide title. Do you see hide title?
Hide title. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So and you come up here. Do you see standard? Up, go up. Go up.
Here. Yeah, I can see it now.
Click the drop down.
Okay.
And do entire view. Okay. So you actually did entire view for this employee,
Employee.
not for the
So
salary.
I'll go
Let's
back to the
click
salary.
yes, then do entire view for that one.
Okay. Oh,
Okay. It's okay. We'll fix
okay.
it.
Oh, thank you.
Come to employee now and hide the title.
Mm,
Right click on it, hide title. Okay.
Then
Then
I'll come
location,
here.
hide the title and do entire
Hide
view
title.
also.
Okay.
And do entire view.
Okay. Thank you.
Then do the same for job position,
Thank you. Hide title.
entire view. Then you see that company size legend,
Yes.
close it because we don't need it. Click on it, yes, then click the X out of it.
Okay.
Then click the salary USD too. And close it. We don't need that legend to exit it. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to go back into your sheets and resize your text so that all the text will be the same size.
Okay.
And can you take it from here?
I think so. Thank you so much.
Okay, so the titles, you hide the titles.
The rest of it,
yes,
I'll hide the
other
titles. Yes.
Then you also do entire view for them so that they can fit nicely into the boxes.
So,
Then
thank you, sir.
You will fit.
Okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Gigi.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
If you need more space, again, go and
Does someone else need help?
yeah, just include some space like 800 so that can lay out properly. You don't have to use one small space. Okay. Okay, who else needs help? Where is Bola? Can you hear us now? Bola, can you hear us? We can't hear us yet. Okay, Susan, you need help?
I'm here. I'm rewatching the video and basically taking it step by step just so I can understand it better.
Okay, well, if you need
If
help,
that's okay.
you can share your screen. Let's see where you are.
Sure. Okay.
So share your screen and let Daniel help.
So right here, I started again, so I'm on the second sheet.
You're not sharing your screen yet.
I'm not?
No, we can't see your screen.
I can't even. Hold on. Oh. So I'm on the second one. Well, actually, supposed to be on the third one now.
Okay, so it's
The sheet.
Sheet.
I can't hear you.
Are you done with the worksheet?
This one, I'm not sure, but I think I am.
Okay,
Just
so
the employee.
I think you are. Yeah, you are. So go to your salary by job title. Click on the worksheet for the. Okay, you've not done that. Okay, Daniel, help out with this.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Drag the salary. First of all, drag job title into rows. Okay. Now you can drag the salary in USD to text. Okay, on this one, you can click on the sum of salary under the max card. No, go down to the left. Yeah. You see the little arrow there? Yeah, click on it. Go down to quick table calculations. Quick table calculation, bottom left. Bottom down. Okay. No, the next one. Yeah. So click on percent of total. Okay. Then go to salary in USD again. Drop it to the view.
Oh.
Either drag it again to the view. Yeah.
There?
No, not there. You can drop it on the just beside the job title. No, onto your view. Yeah. Go back a little bit. No. So you have to go back and pick it up again. Yeah. No, just drop it on. Yeah, drop it. Leave it right there. No, Control Z. Just do Control Z and back out. So what you did first is what we are trying to do again, so that you can have all the 3 components in the visualization.
Okay,
Go back.
so go back.
Yeah, go back.
Just drop it on top of the
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, inside those percentage, just drop
Percentage, just drop it there. Yeah.
inside those percentage. Inside, no, inside.
Inside, yeah.
Just leave it there, like that. Leave it now. That's
Okay.
Okay.
Now you can go to sorting. If you go up under server, if you go up under server at the top, yeah, you just under it, you could do the sorting there. Yeah.
This is fine by single.
Yeah. Okay. Now go to standard. Where you see standard, you could do entire view. Here's where standard is written.
Oh.
Yeah, just go to your right a little bit, right?
Okay.
Right. Okay, you see the standard there?
Mm-hmm.
Do
Standard
entire view. Yeah, do entire view.
entire view.
Yeah, so that you could occupy the space.
Okay.
So that is set. So you could close your show me button. Just click on it, it's gonna close. Okay. Now, do you have all the worksheet ready? You check them one by one if it is ready. All the worksheet. Okay, salary by company size.
I think I stopped.
Okay. Let's take it one by one.
Okay.
Go to the first one. Let's take the total salary. Let me see if that is okay. Okay, let's start from here. The total salary. Okay, go to your text. Right click on it.
Right click?
Yeah. If you right click, it should, yeah. Just go to those 3 dots. The first 3 dots on it. Yeah. Open. So in this case, highlight the sum of salary in USD, highlight it. Okay. Now go to the number 9, you could change it to like 20. Also go to where you see Tableau book. Yeah, you could change it to like Tableau board, yeah. Okay, now click out. No, just do enter. Now write total salary underneath. Total salary.
Salary.
Just write total salary. Just write.
Oh, type it in. Okay.
Yeah, type it in. Yeah, total salary.
Okay.
So this you could also highlight it, make it like 10. Make it like 10. Yeah, 10. So now highlight everything, make it left. Make it left. You see where you see the 3 arrow where now it's centered, right? Just click on the left one.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Daniel, why don't you let it be in the center?
I think left will make it align more.
Okay.
At the dashboard level.
All right, let's see then. No problem.
So click on OK. Okay, now it's coming out bold. Now go on the second one, employee. Okay, do the same thing. Yeah, do the same thing again.
Text.
Yeah. So do the same thing. Before you do anything, first of all, highlight it there.
Yeah.
So type in the employee. Yeah. I think it's better if you write like total employee or something like that.
Total employee. Okay.
Total employee. Total employee. So this, you can make this 10. So
is that 10?
No, that is too small.
And
You can left, okay.
And okay.
Yeah, that total employee, I'm not sure if it is 10. I think it's too small, kind of.
No, that's 20.
No, they won't be in it.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, just make it 10.
It says 10, it's 10.
Okay, cool. So click OK. Yeah, that is better. So next one. Next one says location, right? So do the same thing as well. Okay.
Next one?
Yeah, next one. Yeah, go to the next one. So do the same thing as well.
Next.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one, this says salary by employee, right? So already this is done. You need to click out here. Why is it? Go to color, click on color.
Color.
Yeah, like edit color. No, the one on top.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, edit color, edit color. Okay. Can we change it to something different than this so that the color could come out better? We could change to like blue and green diverging. Okay, let's try this.
Apply or just okay.
Click on OK, let's see. No, it's not coming up. Go back again, edit color. No, click on edit.
Oh, edit. Okay.
Yeah. So use something different. Go to the click on the drop down. Use red and blue. Okay, try this. Try this. Let's see.
There's something highlighted, Daniel. That's
Yeah.
why.
That's okay.
That's why it's not.
It's not showing, right?
Mhm.
Can you click on the visualization?
Where?
Yeah, click inside. Let's see. Why is it not showing? It's grayed out. Hold on 1 second. Not the opacity, no.
Could it be this?
No. Make it 100%. Make the opacity 100%.
I think it might be that one.
Can you do that sheet again?
Oh, okay, so redo this.
Mm-hmm.
Just cancel it there. Go to the top.
Clear the sheet.
Clear the sheet.
Up there, yeah.
Yeah.
No, wait, Susan.
Oh.
Go back and use the arrow back there. Yeah, I think when it's highlighting the cost, you put this salary in color.
Oh, right here?
No, on top. The one on top. Drag it out. You can
Yeah,
do
yeah.
you can put
Yeah,
it
bring
in
it out, yeah.
color, but
No, take it out, drag it out.
Take it out.
Take it out?
No, just drag it out.
How? I don't.
Don't leave there first.
click
Okay.
out.
Click out here.
Now go
Then
and drag that salary out of color. Just drag it out. Click on it and drag it out.
Out from where
that is text. The one on top, yeah. Drag it out.
No, in the middle.
Drag it out?
Yeah, drag out. Drop it there.
In here?
Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah.
Okay.
It's still same.
What is she trying to do?
We're trying to get the color back. It's grayed out.
Okay,
A
go
better
back
color.
to the show me. Go back to show me.
Go to show me and click here. There's one this in there.
No, go back to show me.
Show me on the right, top right.
Top right.
Top right.
And click on the
That green one, yeah.
No, go
That
back.
green one.
Oh,
Green
the top
on the
one.
right, the top right,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, cool.
So now you cannot make
Now,
it entire
entire
view.
view.
That will give you what you want.
Where you have standard up, just drop down and make it entire view.
Entire view, yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait,
So,
what?
this green too, if you think it's too green, you could also
Yeah.
edit the color and put it something better. But if it's okay by you, you
It's
could leave
okay for now.
it. Okay.
Yeah.
Go to
You
the
can go change the color palette. Okay. Go back to here, click on the color, edit color,
edit.
and go to the drop down and just use any color palette that you want. We use the blue or you can use the green. It's up to you.
That okay?
If you like it.
Yes.
So
okay. So
this one.
dashboard, okay. Let's try to help the next person, okay? I think
Okay.
your dashboard right now.
Okay.
All right. Who
Thank
else
you.
needs assistant? Who else needs assistance? Bola, can you hear out now? Yes, Martin. Martin, do you need help?
I don't know if it helped, but I know I'm still struggling with my formatting.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what you didn't do is to give a container for your filters. Now, first of all, go. You see where it says vertical under your objects. Okay, drag it and put it on your first. Just drag it into your dashboard. Now drag it all the way to the first lane. No, but I want to split your dashboard horizontal at the side. Come to the side. Come to the side. No, keep coming. No. Okay, vertical now. Come to the vertical side on your first lane. Let me show it to you. No, let me request your control. So I show it to you. Request control. Give me your control. Okay, so let me close this. So what you didn't do is you didn't give your a container for your filters. So what I would recommend you do is drag the vertical container here and put it here. You see? Do you see the screen? Hello? Nadia, can you see what I did?
Yes, sorry, my thing was on mute. I'm sorry.
Okay, now you can click in here and what happened? And just drag this a little bit here. So this will now be like a placeholder, okay? Now, your image here, you can click on it and drag this on top of this.
Okay.
No, not there. Control Z. Let me scroll. I want to drag this on top of here. Okay, that's your image. Now your title, you can make it, leave it this way, but if you want to leave it this way, I like to make the title center. So just double click here and just make it center and click OK. That will center your title. Okay. Now the other stuff here, which is this filters, all you have to do is drag them into this container here, so they have their own place. It's like everybody having their own room or their own house. Okay, you can just click on this and drag them and just click here. Oh, why is that not moving? Shoot. Let me do this.
Do you want us to delete and bring it back?
Yeah, just drag it and put it somewhere here. So make sure you align them to this download here. Just drag it and put it somewhere here as well. So you can see all your stuff is coming back now. And for this salary, you can make it entire view. All right, so and this one here, since you already have the total salary in the self, you don't need this title again. You can right click and hide it.
Hide it. Okay.
Okay, so now what you need to do now is adjust all of this. So you can see you have a whole lot of space here. So you can click on this and just move this one all the way here. Click out. Click on this and move this one all the way. Okay, so you can see this one and this container is so let me move this one out of the way there and come here. Let me leave it there. Yeah. So let me help you do this for now. What I'm going to do right now, how many titles you have? This and this?
It's coming up as 2. I did 1 before.
Okay, maybe, okay. Let me remove that one. And for now, let me see if I can put it. Okay. Okay, let me do this. Okay, bring this one in here. Bring this one back here. And bring this one here for now. So I can remove that extra space. Okay, now. Okay, so I'll remove that extra space for you. I can just manually adjust all of this. Adjust all of this. And click on here and adjust all of this. Okay. So you can go ahead and now finish up. For this, you know how to format this, right? Your image is a little bit small. Let's see if we can.
That's all I could get.
Okay. Fit image. Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You didn't fit it.
Yes.
Okay, nice. So you can go ahead and finish up your formatting, okay? It's looking good. Just clean it up and publish it to the server. All right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
But
you
it's
so
looking
much.
good. Yeah.
Thank you,
nice
sir.
job.
I like this your company logo.
Thank you very much.
You know, who else need help? Who else need help? Okay, you guys keep working on that. Let me share my screen. And now our next project is going to be, we're going to be using this data. The 2014 Inc. 5000, okay? So I want us to use a few times to, we have a lot of time, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, so it's a good time. Now, this project is going to be, let's assume you are a consultant, okay? Someone wants to invest in companies in America, and he presents you with this data and says, please help me understand the fastest growing private company in America where I can put in my money. I need you to give me a dashboard where I can really look at this company by states, by revenue, and how long they've been on this top 5,000 company in America. Okay, that's what this data is all about. And this is the data set here. So if you go to your Tableau Public, okay, and you come to sample data, you just go to the second row, and you see this data here. So in the meantime, if you want to proactively start looking at the data, it's fine. Now, but here is what I want you to know. If you go on Tableau Public again, for example, let me go to Tableau Public here. I go on Tableau Public right now, you're going to see this will be the first page, okay? So if you come to resources and go to sample data, you're going to see that data set that we're going to be using for our next project, okay? Then, if you go to this search icon here, click on it and just type in 2014 Inc. 5000. You will see a whole lot of dashboard that people have created with these data sets. Okay, I want to take our time and explore all of this. So many, okay, so many. I remember when Gigi was doing an interview, she was giving a data set. The data set was the global spot, right, Gigi?
Yes, global spot.
Yeah, the global spot. And she came here to look at the global spot report that was here. Some were good, I think they were okay, but the layout was not as good. But what Gigi created for our interview, as far as I'm concerned, that dashboard is still the best dashboard on global sports data that I have seen in Tableau Public, because it's very intuitive, incisive, and very, the layout was good, very easy to understand. Now, the reason why I want us to start working with this data is sometimes if you do interview and the employee want to like see your skills, they will, 80% of the time they will come here and pick some sample data and give it to create a dashboard. They will come here and say, this was the one they gave to Gigi, Global Sport Finance. You see? So before then, we didn't even do anything with this data. But now imagine you doing an interview and they gave you this data set of, so okay, just show us your skills, what you can do. because you've already done
Sorry,
it,
excuse me.
this will
When
be a
they,
bit for you.
excuse
right?
me. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, when they give you things like this during the interview, do they like give you requirements or they just you will do what you feel like?
They will give
Sometimes
you,
they will give you some requirement, but sometimes they just want you to like create a dashboard freestyle.
Okay.
It can come in either way. You know, so before Monday class, I want everybody come here, look at different reports for this 2004 Inc. As far as I'm concerned, we can do better than all of this layout here. We can do better, right? I'm not talking about the calculations, the data, I'm talking about the layout. Because some people might are very good in calculations, how to wrangle data, but their layout might not be as good as you. You know, so I want us to like think before the class, and henceforth, I'm going to work up to the worksheet level, but you are responsible for your dashboard. So after we create the worksheet, then everybody will go and do your dashboard layout the way you want to do your dashboard layout. Okay, and during finalizing that project, we can all like help each other out. The reason for that is I want you to start getting used to laying out your dashboard the way you want. Okay, so all of these are a whole lot of dashboard out there for. Let's see what this guy did. This one look a bit complex. Let's see this. You can see this guy did some nice work. The layout is good. So it's showing the companies, the total revenue, total industry, 25, total workers, and so on. You know, this is good. You know, so if you select marketing company, let's see how many, what happens. Yeah, but to me, this is a little bit wonky to read. This is even a little bit wonky to read. And this is still a bit wonky to read, you know, but
The revenue by industry.
yeah, you can, unless I hover over this, then I know, which means business makes up 8% of the industry revenue and so on, you see. But we can do better. So I want everyone to think about this and play with this before Monday, okay? Any question on this?
yes, I have a question. Do you want us to start or just go ahead and just like look at it?
If you want to start, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, I will even appreciate if you can just dab your hand on it and start coming up with something for yourself. So say, okay, I look at this data, this part I came up with. Good.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
Yeah. So you know how to get here, right? Go to public.army.com, go to resources on top here, and go to sample data. This second data here. Okay. And if you want to start, just start creating, because and again, if you want to look at dashboarding layout, I will send out some videos maybe by tomorrow. Tableau dashboarding that will help us to know dashboarding, formatting, and so on. Okay, what we just did, for example, all of this is just formatting. We have the layout already. Our worksheet is there. Our data is right. Our calculation is right. But your layout and formatting is just something unique. Again, I like to put it this way. See your dashboard as a woman who wants to go to a party. She will take half her time to look good because she wants to be seen the way she wants people to address her or see her. So take out your time and make your dashboard look good. Now, two things about dashboarding. You can have some nonsense data, but your dashboard can make it look as if it's a nice data. Okay? But you can have a very good data calculations and your dashboard can make it uninteresting. People just look at it like, it's too wonky. doesn't make no sense. It will just, bounce your dashboard. So everything comes in place. Make your dashboard look readable and make it as spacious and neat as possible. Okay. All right. Any question on that? Any question? Okay, I'll take that as a no. So we have 90 more minutes. So let's try and round up this salary project. If you need help, please go ahead and share your screen. I wonder why Paula is not able to, we are not able to hear her today. Daramola, are you okay with your dashboard now?
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
Okay, please.
I'm okay.
What you're going to do is play with it, move stuff around, resize it in a way that it is properly displayed. There is no one way of doing it, okay? Don't get timid or thinking you might do something wrong. No, do it wrongly and correct it, okay? It's about sizing and moving stuff around, okay?
Okay, sir. This is Medina. I'm not able to add to put the percentage of the job title, salary by job title.
Okay, I'll share your screen. And Susan, can you assist her with that? Share your screen, Medina, and let Susan assist you.
Okay. Here I am.
Okay, Susan, help her out. Susan, are you there? Susan, can you hear us? Okay, maybe she's away. Nadia, can you help us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, right. Can you help out bring in the percentage of total?
Huh?
Can you help Medina? She needs help with the percent of total for the salary. So how did we do that?
Oh, Lord. Oh.
Now, remember, in Tableau, we have quick table calculations.
Quick table calculations.
Yeah, those are calculations that you can easily use without writing any calculation of yours. So how did we turn this into percentage of total? Okay, Daramola, can you help out?
I think she can click on the Dropbox.
Yes, okay. Go ahead.
You mean
and
me?
then go to the add table calculations.
Absolutely, yeah, go ahead. No.
Okay.
Close this and go back to where you are coming from.
Okay.
It's add
quick table. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay.
And it tells you percent of total.
Total.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh.
Okay. Now, how do you bring back the salary? They want to see the percent of total and the salary itself.
And the salary itself.
You can pick the salary in USD and put it at the middle.
Okay.
The salary in USD. USD.
The same field.
The one in green under.
Underneath.
No,
yeah.
No.
No?
Under measures.
Under measures. Salary in USD.
Salary in USD.
Mm.
That one. No. Yes. Drag it to the inside that percentage. They are not dragging together.
Yeah, she did already.
No, okay, leave it.
Yeah.
But I can't view it.
Go to standard and do entire view.
And go to the white
Standard
view.
on top. Entire view.
Entire view, sorry. There
Now,
you go.
now you can
Oh, Lord.
see because of our school resolution, if you do entire view, you will get squishy because Tableau is trying to fit everything in the view.
Yeah,
So in this case,
it's fit with we are supposed to.
go back there, go back there. No, don't do
Back
that.
to standard.
Wait, what happened?
Do Control Z. Do Control Z.
Medina, now click on your worksheet and do Control Z. Okay, good. Now go back to your entire view and do fit width.
Fit width, yeah.
Got it. So it was
So this should fit it to the width of the view. So now click out of the one highlighted. You highlighted a field. No, click on good. Now try to give your job title some space. You can see it's very squishy. So click on the edge. No. Let me show this to you. You might not know where this is. Let me request control.
Thank you.
Okay. Now watch me. So each field that you bring on the view have their own little space in Tableau. So here you have to like move your mouse a little bit.
Okay.
Like you see the edge of that
Yes, sir.
container. So you have to like
Yes, sir.
just drag it out a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
But you might not see it visibly unless you format it and give them lines to give each of these fields their own line. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So these are just some little things you need to know in formatting. You can just give it some space, a lot of space. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So go to your dashboard and let's see what you. Now you can see that your dashboard needs space. Okay.
Yes.
So you don't have to stay with this default size.
The default size.
Now everybody wants. If you come to this size here, you can choose to give your dashboard some space. Okay, like you can do 2,000 if you want.
Okay.
You can do 1,500 if you want. Just look at how many sheets or how many space you need, and just use that to bring out your bring in your, size your dashboard. Okay.
Dashboard. Okay.
You don't have to stay with the default. As I said, learn to play around with a whole lot of stuff.
Okay.
Like this one here at the dashboard level, don't make it like fit with here.
Okay.
Okay, and please clean up your formatting and bring in your filters. Okay.
Okay.
If you need any help, ping me. But let's get this. Everybody have to publish their own today. Once you publish, just copy your Tableau public link and put on the WhatsApp group so everybody can see it. So everybody try and follow each other in Tableau publish. Okay, so you can all see what you're all doing. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So finish what you're almost done. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Who else needs help? Let me give. Who else needs help? Bola, can you hear us now? Martin, do you need help? Okay. So how about where's Thomas left? Oh, maybe. Oh no. Yomi, do you need help? Are you good?
I'm good, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you published your work yet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Now, don't forget, if you are still working and you need to go to work and you've not finished your work, You can just leave it on your desktop, but it's not going to save. If anything happens to that desktop, you lose all your work. So if you are working and you need to continue at any other time, publish your work to the server and just put WIP, work in progress. So even if you lose the one on your desktop, when you're ready, you can just connect with the one on your Tableau Public and continue your work, okay? All right. Okay, in the absence of no other question, please review our next project, try and publish your work. And we're going to do a little bit of advanced step next week, like calculation. There are still more to learn. We're still going to work with like superstore data, where we're going to learn about joining and a lot of complex calculation. Okay, so please try and get up to speed. We try as much as possible to upload the videos by the following morning, so you can always catch up. Okay, and feel free to utilize any other resources online. If you don't know how to do anything, go to Google, go to YouTube. How do I do this in Tableau? How do I do that in Tableau? You see a whole lot of stuff. Okay, me myself, I still go online and copy codes. That's how the job works. There's some things I need to do, and it's difficult. I go on YouTube or Google, just type it out and copy the code and edit it to what I want to use it for and get my results. Okay, so start practicing that. If you need help formatting, go on YouTube and type in Tableau dashboard formatting. You'll see a whole lot of stuff. Watch it and try to apply the same logic to your dashboarding, okay? Utilize and develop quickly. All right.
Thank you. Can I ask a question, please?
Yes.
Not a question. A recruiter called me today, so she asked if I was interested in a job like a Tableau developer. I said yes. So she now said, how many years experience do I have? I said 3 years. She said, oh, sorry, they're looking for a senior Tableau developer. So my question is, a senior Tableau developer, what differentiates a senior Tableau developer with ordinary or the normal Tableau developer? Is it the number of years?
Experience.
Experience.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, experience. Okay.
Experience, but let me tell you the truth. Everything you are doing in this class gives you that experience. Even my boss at work still says, let me check Google. There's no need to hide it. He says, let me check Google and I will give you the answer. Gigi, just hold on. I'm going to go research on Google and I'll give you the answer. So it's experience that they use to measure senior. But everything you are learning in this class now gives you that experience.
Okay.
Now,
in case of next time, if they not ask me, what do I have to say?
Okay, hold on. Now, you need to be skillful how to answer those recruiters, okay? But the first call, remember, your goal is to get in front of the hiring manager. Now, the people that call you up first, they are just recruiters. They are not the one hiring.
Yes.
They work with HR. So their job is to source for resume and send it to the hiring manager to pick who they want to interview.
Yes.
So your role is to get across that recruiter. Okay, so there are some questions that you don't answer directly for them. For example, he asks you, how many years do you have? You say 3 years. That was kill it. You put yourself in. For me, even though I don't have 10, 15 years of experience, I don't tell them I've been in the analytic world for 10 years now. Now, I'm not specifying Tableau or BI or query. I have experience because I do analysis every day. For example, if you want to go to market, you have children. Christmas is coming. you're going to start kind of, okay, how much income do I have November? How much do I want to spend on their Christmas shopping? How much
Yeah.
rent is my wife? All that is analysis. You understand? Overall, you can say, okay, what is the 20% of my income that I will be spending on Christmas holiday?
Yes.
You can take your calculator and just press it and give you the answer. That is analysis. That is of your experience. But when it comes to you answer question with the first recruiters, don't give them like direct yes or no answer. Okay, give them like a broad answer, and then when you get to the in front of the hiring manager, you know what to do to get that job. You understand? So don't again, how many years of experience you have? Don't tell them you have an experience in analysis over 10 years. Okay, anymore. I started using Excel when analysis was just pure Excel. From there, I transitioned to Tableau when Tableau became the big deal, in BI development. That's it. You understand?
Okay.
It's not as if you are lying, but you are just trying to scale through that first person to the hiring manager. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I want to also say that you have the opportunity to take the first interview from the hands of the recruiter, because they don't even know what they're asking you. They have a script, which is the job description.
Yes.
And they should have sent you that job description. So if someone calls you and says, I have a job for you, the first question you should ask is, have you sent me the job description to my email?
Yeah, that's what I normally
And
say.
if they say yes or no, then you say, okay, give me one moment. Let me take a look at it. I will call you back.
Yes.
And they
that's
will be waiting. They'll be waiting for you. So you have the script now. They have the script. So they are reading their script. You are reading their script back to them.
Yeah.
So whatever job description that is there, you can do it just to cross that hurdle.
Okay.
Before you now prepare yourself, because they won't just immediately transfer you to the managing
SRO.
the manager or the person that you're going to be working with first. They are screening you to see whether, oh, you are a suitable match for what the manager wants.
Okay.
So with their script, you answer their questions with their script. Anything on their script, you can do it. Then before then, you prepare yourself to meet the manager. So that's how you scale to get to the manager level interview.
Okay.
Okay.
Then I also want to say that on our chat, you can quickly send a question, and if anybody is available to answer, even if we don't know, we can browse it quickly and give you the answer.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, again, we did some touch point on the interview. Maybe you forgot. Those that follow those scripts, they have the results. Okay. Now, when you have people that have the experience, that have gone through the experience, telling you do this and do this, it's advisable just do it. You understand? Because they have been there, so they're helping you not to go through what they went through. So it's making life easy for you. But we need to do all of this prep. Okay. But again, always reference what you've done is part of your experience.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Another question?
No.
Okay. All right. I'll see you on Monday. Please try and publish your dashboard and start reviewing our next project.
Thank you.
All right. Good night, everyone. Have a nice weekend.
Good night.
Thank you,
everyone. Good night.
Bye, thank you.